The Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, has urged its member states to reduce migrant flows as a strategy to tackle human trafficking across the sub-region. The call was made during the 17th annual review meeting of the ECOWAS Regional Network of National Focal Institutions Against Trafficking in Persons Plus. The meeting was chaired by Mr. Deunge Shiaka, Sierra Leone's representative, who emphasized that migration drives human trafficking in the region.
We are able to come to the conclusion and understanding that member states should recognize the fact that migration is one of the driving forces of human trafficking, and member states, some of them were identified that are having routes where migrants move in sort of greener pastures abroad, and in the process, they could be trapped in exploitative situations, either in the countries of transit or in the destination countries. So one of the recommendations was for such member countries to make additional efforts to ensure that these routes are identified and actions taken to minimize the flow of migrants through their countries.
Awareness and public education were also key recommendations, alongside regular community engagement to prevent citizens from falling prey to traffickers' tactics. Member states were also encouraged to implement recommendations within their national action plans.
It's for member states to go back in line with their national action plans and their identified priorities, which they expressed here at this meeting, to implement those plans. ECOWAS works with partner organizations to provide coordinated support to member states. Technical support through, for example, the demand-driven facility, which is a financial facility to strengthen member states with regards to specific gaps in their profiles, in terms of their response profiles. So we expect that, which is usually the case between one meeting, annual review, and the next, there is an implementation plan per member state and also at the regional level. We expect that that will be done, or it will be well implemented.
In Mali alone, there's an estimated 20,000 Nigerian young women that are being exploited there, taken by traffickers. And we continue to work with them, with other countries, to ensure that even these victims that are in those countries are treated within the protocol, treated well, and ensuring that the traffickers themselves are prosecuted and put where they should be.
So in the last review meeting, actually, before the last review meeting, the ECOWAS plus trafficking and persons plus related crimes was adopted throughout the ECOWAS region, and this has now started to implement throughout several ECOWAS countries. This is a major move forward because there are so many related crimes that make people vulnerable to trafficking that can be caught much earlier before they even get to the point of trafficking, and that's what the ECOWAS member states are doing for.
The 5-day meeting brought together senior government officials, security agencies, regional organizations, and international partners to review progress of the strategy adopted in 2024 and identify key areas to close the gaps.